Start by opening the water tank lid. Next, add room temperature water to the water tank. The amount of water added should be the same as the amount of coffee you want. Open the swing-out filter basket. Place the filter holder. Place the filter in the holder. Add your ground coffee. Now, add the filter ring. Close the swing-out filter basket. Place the dry carafe onto the warming plate. Plug in the machine. Press on/off to turn on the machine. First, press grind off button to cancel grinding. Choose the modes you want. Press on/off to start your brew. The machine starts to brew. Now the brew is complete. The coffee machine will automatically keep your coffee warm for 120 minutes. To turn off the machine, press and hold on/off for at least 2 seconds. Enjoy your coffee.